Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a trade recap, a technical analysis breakdown on PENN National. I'm currently in a PENN call, up about 300% right now. Bought these very cheap off some strong technical support. I want to show you how I found this, how I'm sort of managing this trade. So hopefully you guys can learn from it and use this strategy into the future. Congratulations to anyone in the chat that caught this with me. It is looking very, very good right now. And not only PENN, you have DraftKings, you have LVS, Las Vegas Sands, and Wynn Resorts. Some of these betting and casino stocks that are catching fire lately. So these are definitely some to watch. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, learn from the technical analysis. Make sure to press that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification so that you guys know every single time that I post. PENN. I'm in a PENN call for a few weeks out. I'm looking to see if I can get this $75 break with a price target of 85. I love this triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. I'm looking to see if we can push here up to 85. That is my look on PENN, and I think this could be a great time to get into PENN. One, with the IWM holding up. PENN is a small cap. If IWM continues, this could be a great entry on PENN. Triple bottom, betting coming up, NFL coming out. I think this could be a little bit of a seasonal play. You're definitely slowing down on this downtrend. I love it. So guys, real quick, before we jump into this video, I do want to give a quick notice. Tomorrow's live stream, I will not be able to make it, as well as Sunday technicals and Monday's live stream. I am going to be away on a little bit of a vacation. It feels good to go away. I do feel like I'm betraying the team a little bit, but it is good to sometimes get out and enjoy yourself. So unfortunately, Friday, Sunday technicals, and Monday live stream, I will not be there. So hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully you guys will be back on Tuesday when we get back into the action. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into this. First of all, before we get into this play, again, I want to give a quick shout out to one of my members, Danny. He sort of ignited me to look at PENN National. Now, I have been watching PENN National for a long time. You guys may know if you're a longtime subscriber of the channel. I love this stock. And I've definitely been watching it on this pullback, looking for when this thing will start to find some momentum again. Danny was the reason why I sort of made sure to look at this again. He was sort of spotting some things out for me. So shout out to you, Danny. Thank you for being in the Discord, and thank you for letting not only me, but the rest of the team know about this play. And shout out to anyone that took this with me. A beautiful play, up about 300% right now, and I think there could be more upside. So jumping into the charts here, what you guys will see is this is the daily chart on PENN National. Now, PENN National has had a really nice sell-off, over the last few months, from its highs of 142 down to the lows of right around 64, which is about a 54% drop here, guys, on PENN National. So a really nice discount, in my opinion, at this time. You could buy shares of this for your long term, or maybe you could buy some option contracts as well. So we were starting to move down, and what I was starting to realize was the triple bottom that was forming here on PENN. You guys can see a very clean triple bottom here on PENN, and when I saw that, that was the first thing that I was starting to notice, and I wanted to see if this triple bottom could hold and if we could potentially get a move off of that. Now, not only the triple bottom was what I was watching, right? So I was watching more than just that. The next thing that I was watching was this 75 level resistance. Now, this 75 level resistance right around here was not just resistance in this area right here. It was previous support right here. You can see support, and it turned into resistance. So this 75 level was crucial. This 75 level also extends all the way back to around August and September of last year. So 75, it was a crucial breakout. And we were sort of talking about this in the Discord. So if I go to my trades here in the Discord, and I go back to when I got into this. So here was the play that I got into. Right here, it said grabbing a small PENN play right here, September 9th, 9/17. I'm sorry, not September 9th, September 17th. So 9/17, $85 call for 65 cents per contract. I was saying how if we can break this 75, which is right here, you guys can see it on the chart. If we break this 75, this could be a very clean breakout. So we got that clean breakout here
on PENN above 75. You guys can see that right around here. After we got through it, a very strong continuation on that move. Now, also, along with the PENN move, there was also strength on the IWM or the Russell 2000. This is the small cap index. PENN is a small cap play. It's a small cap stock, and it will move if there is strength in the IWM. So if I go over to the IWM, I was seeing not only was PENN moving, but we were getting support on the Russell 2000. So right here, you guys can see we've been sort of going over this for the last few weeks. A very nice bounce off of this support here on the IWM. So I figured this could be a good time to catch not only a Russell move, which could help that PENN, but also a very strong breakout of that 75 on PENN National. So both of these were sort of lining up at this time, and this is why it is very important to be looking at these indexes, right? So we were getting this move here on the IWM, and at the same time, I was looking to catch this breakout right here on PENN National. So a very, very clean breakout. I'll go ahead and put this up here on the screen a little bit more centered for you. So a very clean breakout of 75, triple bottom support, breaking through that breakout zone. And right now, we are sort of sitting above the 100 SMA, which I do like. We were able to hold that 100 SMA. At this point right now, my price target on this play is $85 a share. This was my price target from the beginning, and it is still holding strong. The reason I like it is because you have these previous resistance levels, which I do believe will have a little bit of trouble here in the future. So right here on PENN, $85 is where I am targeting this play. Now, of course, if I see strength through 85, if this thing really keeps on going, then I will look to continue to play this thing because there is potentially a very big upside move if this actually wants to continue here, maybe back towards the $100 range. So if we're able to catch it up to 100, that will be a monster trade. But I don't want to keep, I don't want to get my hopes up too much, and I want to be realistic here on this play. At this point, the contracts will be up very nicely, and it will be likely time to lock in some profits there at 85. So a very nice play here. And not only this play, I didn't want to just make this video just to show you the technical analysis here on PENN. I also want to show you on DraftKings. So DraftKings was another stock that is starting to move up with PENN. It's in the same type of sector, same sports betting business. And we were seeing a very similar breakout here of 55 on DraftKings. So we started to get that breakout on 55. We got a little bit of rejection today. However, I think if DraftKings does a little bit of a pullback, maybe to 55, a little break and retest, maybe we can get back towards this 64, 65 level resistance. So along with PENN, along with this play that we currently have on, I think DraftKings is another one to be, to be watching here for that sports betting hype. Maybe, it's a little bit of seasonal movement because of the NFL coming up. You also have Florida, which is going to be legalizing sports betting, I believe, in October, which maybe is helping this out as well. But back to PENN real quick, guys, just sort of recapping this video here. A very nice triple bottom, a clean breakthrough through 75. And at this point, if you're not in this, you might be watching, do I get in here? Is this where I want to get in? I'll go ahead and break this down to the shorter term time frame. So if I go down to the 5-day, 15-minute here on PENN National, at this point, I do not want to see PENN break below 80. I know that is a little bit of a high level for it to hold after this nice breakout, but it does seem like PENN is trying to hold this psychological level at 80. So make sure to be watching $80 a share if you are in this play. I'll delete this green box at 75. You guys can see here's the last few days on PENN. Very strong moves, but today, if we look at just today, a very clean hold at 80. So I really, really like the hold that we have seen here on 80. And it feels like at this point, if we do give up this 80, then we may see a little bit of a pullback. So if you're not in PENN yet, maybe tomorrow, see if it can hold up above 80. If you start to find support there again, maybe you can use that as your stop loss. You take a trade, you take a stop under 80 because you know that you really don't want to see it below that level, and you can see if you can catch any more upside. So in the short term, 80 would be a beautiful level to hold. If we can hold that, great. I think we can hit our price target of 85. So that is PENN, guys. That is our 300% play that we are currently in. Congratulations to anyone that's in the chat that that caught this with me. As you guys know, I post all of my trades, winners or losers. I really do not care to hide my losers. It's part of the game. If you're in this, if you're trading stocks and you think that trading stocks or options, and you think that I don't lose or other people on the internet do not lose on their plays, then, you know, it's just, you're sort of out of your mind on that. So I definitely lose on plays, but I do like to show, you know, both winners and losers. You guys know I'm in Netflix right now, which is a current loser. You know I'm in Roku, which is a current loser. But I wanted to show you today this beautiful PENN play because I believe there is upside here that maybe you can catch if this thing can hold up and maybe move back towards 85. So once again, shout out to anyone that has this. If you want to join the Discord chat where I trade live every single day and I show the plays that I get in, not only just call outs, but with technical analysis, real technical analysis, make sure to check out that link down below. But before we end this video, I want to leave you with one more thing, and it's one more play that you may like here if you believe that Las Vegas Sands can come back, and that is right here. So here's LVS, guys. This is Las Vegas Sands. This is a casino that, you know, has been definitely under some pressure. The stock has not moved much in the last 2 years, pretty sideways. However, something that I do want to point out, and a play that I actually entered today, which is some December call options on LVS, is that LVS has sold off to COVID levels. It has sold off to virus levels here, back down to 36. This is a very strong potential hold, and I definitely want to see if I can catch this bounce. So I'm going to be watching LVS. You guys should watch it as well. If we get more momentum along the sports betting and casino stocks, LVS could be a fantastic dip buy here, moving back to these these virus levels back towards 36. If we get that bounce, it is currently sold off about 44%. This could be a very nice play. So keep an eye on this. This is how I'll leave this video. Make sure to watch LVS over the next few weeks to see if it can bounce off of these lows at $33 per share. So guys, that's about all that I have for today's video. A really awesome trade on PENN. Really loving the play that we're currently in. We have until September 17th, I believe, is the expiration. So we definitely have some time for this thing to work out. If we want to get to 85 per share or even move past it, I have the time in the contract. We will see what happens there. So I will keep you updated on that play. DraftKings, LVS, Wynn Resorts, which I didn't show in this video, but is moving up as well. Could be some stocks to watch as well if we get some momentum on these sports betting as well as on those casino plays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to press that like button. Once again, as a reminder, I will not be able to make a video on Sunday and won't be in the live streams on both Friday, tomorrow, and Monday, but I do hope to see you guys on Tuesday for the live stream and for our next video. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.